Hello, today we've come to Wentworth Woodhouse.
It's a Grade 2 listed country house just outside Rotherham in South Yorkshire.
And we're looking forward to having a look round.
Certainly are. The current house was built by Thomas Watson Wentworth, 1st Marquis of Rockingham, between 1693 and 1750. The house was extended by his son, the 2nd Marquis.
The house was inherited by Earls Fitzwilliam in the 18th century. The Fitzwilliams made their fortune in coal. This dwindled, however, after the nationalisation of coal in 1947.
Forced to sell off the family jewels to pay death duties and taxes, the house was then used by Sheffield Polytechnic as a PE training facility.
In 1989, Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust took ownership of the property. A lavish room painted in gold and white.
Whistlejacket was the Marquis's favourite horse. It won over 2,000 guineas, £240,000 in today's money.
The painting was by George Stubbs in 1792. The painting in the house is a copy. The original is housed in the National Gallery. just been in the house. What did you think?
Yeah, it was lovely, wasn't it? Yeah, there's 300 rooms in the house, but you don't get to see many. But it's nice just to have a look round.
Oh, it was. I enjoyed it.
Can have a look round the gardens now. King George V and Queen Mary stayed here for 4 days in 1912 during a royal visit of South Yorkshire.
Behind me is the punch bowl.
And from the Ionic Temple, a wonderful view across the South Yorkshire countryside.
Restoration of the Georgian stables is underway. They were the biggest in England. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our look around the house and gardens.
Yeah, it's been lovely, hasn't it? Yeah, a bit cold though.
Yeah, but okay if you're wrapped up nice and warm.
Yeah, nice coffee now.
I think so.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Bye. I said there was a bear around here somewhere.